YouTubers, welcome to Amazing Gadgets. Today I will be unboxing the Plugable SATA HDD docking station. Let's take off the shrink wrap here. Anyway, these things just get in the way of things, doesn't it? Alright. Now this device is used for plugging in internal hard drives externally for backups and stuff, and this is compatible with USB 3.0. So now where is the opening on this? This part slides off. Alright, let's open up the box. Packaging these days, huh? Alright, let's see what's inside. Here is a dock. Some plastic here. Whoops, that touched my mic. A power adapter. This looks like a USB cable. That's weird. It should be USB 3.0 cable, but here's a USB 3.0 cable. As you can see, there's a slight change in the USB design. It works the same, but yeah, they just changed the plug design slightly so you don't get confused. And here is an instruction manual. Now, that's it for this unboxing. Please don't forget to check back. I will have a video review up once I get to use this product a little bit. I'll tell you how it works, and if you need one, you can buy, and I'll have a link for you that you can buy from. As always, the product link will be in the video description below. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video.